Good morning, Brent. Happy Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. How was your weekend? My weekend flew by. I got lots of rest. I do feel recharged, ready for the week. Our first full week back in 2026. Ooh, this short's not looking so hot. All right, I'm going to exit. Hey, Keegan. Good morning. Good morning, K Futures. Yannick. Hello, happy Monday. Okay, look at this. So market is up 173-ish points since Friday's closing price. We had big news regarding the president capturing the president of Venezuela, correct? And I believe that is why gold is up over 2%. I'm wishing I bought Globex gold right at the open. That would have been such a sweet trade. Did anyone catch that trade on gold? Hey, good morning, Adrian, my friend. Paul, yes, happy Monday. Oh, you're headed south this weekend. For work or for fun or for both? So gold is up 95 points. It looks like it just came down and tested VWAP. What a big move in gold overnight. Let's look at the daily on gold. Oh, so it looks like gold is respecting this level and it's wanting to fill this candle. This is on the daily. Very interesting about gold. So I feel like people flee to gold in moments of uncertainty, fear. So that could be part of that. I heard crude oil did not really move much, and it actually was negative at some point on the news. So I think that is very interesting. Here is ES. Let's look at the daily on ES. We did close with this doji candle on Friday. Yeah, I'm feeling bullish on the day, right? Like the day will likely close green in the indexes. Anything's possible. I just see this move down was quite numerous couple days. This bounce here, it's possible. We could close green. Okay, we're back on NQ here. Let's see what the 7 o'clock candle, how it closes. Lots of indecision in these last few 5-minute candles. Oh, fun! You're going down south to play. Nice, Brent. That sounds amazingly warm if you're going south in the US. So I am looking sometime today during New York, unless we fill it before New York even opens, but I am looking for that midnight retracement, which is 11 o'clock my time, which would be here, right? Yeah. Okay, what is this price? 488. Wow. It feels like we're so far away, but really we're not. Okay, it'll be interesting if we get a retracement back to the midnight opening price. It is over 70% chance based on back data over the last 6 months. And then I think over the past year, it's about 67%. I can pull up the information again. Yeah, so it does change. It does change every day. Like the stats keep getting updated. Oh, nice, Brent. You're in the Midwest too. It's cold in the Midwest, and I cannot wait to get away because it kind of gets a little depressing with lack of sun every day. We've been getting a ton of snow. That sounds super fun, Brent. I hope you enjoy your time. Yes, good morning, Pearl Vision. I only saw the PMI news for today, correct. 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is what I saw too. Hey, 44. Vanessa, good morning. Smoke is in the house. Yes, please smash that like button for me, please, if you haven't already. Okay, so this 7 o'clock candle, we got a doji, and now it's a slow grind. I mean, not much is happening, right? It's just very slow. This was a very nice reversal candle. I did catch a small piece of this, but then I kind of screwed things up over here. Okay. What do we think, guys? I think I'm gonna hop into a short. I'm gonna put a stop here. And I'm going to go for about right here. Let's go. I do like this area. It could get filled. We never know. I keep reminding myself this all the time because it's so easy to forget, like to feel as if we know exactly where price is going, and we never know. Like we have an idea, we have a bias based on whatever system it is that's your system, or thoughts, beliefs, and we get into the trade, and then we hope it works, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. I know, sometimes I feel like the markets can feel so random sometimes. Does anyone feel this way sometimes? Am I the only one that feels like sometimes the markets are so random? I did look into trying to get Bookmap, and it just like wouldn't let me make the purchase past that screen, that initial screen. I did re-download it onto my computer because this is a new computer that I'm streaming from, and I tried to pay for the subscription and it wasn't working. So I'll have to check in with customer service, because I think that would be really cool just to see like all the orders behind price. I do miss trading with level 2. Do you guys remember when I was getting level 2 for free through Tradeify? And I was so excited. I was telling you guys like, look, it's free with Tradeify. And then like the next day it was gone. I was like, what? That's so weird. It was on Project X. Hey, Martin. Yeah, I hear you. Exactly. I think it's random too. I think like how it gets from point A to point B is like, how does it get there? It can be very random. And we just don't know like what news might break out. So like, let's say no news breaks out. Well, then it's like, okay, like let's look at like the market auction theories and VWAP, like, okay, like it should be theoretically a balanced day, but it seems like news is always breaking out, like on different stocks, macro news, the president says something, a Fed official says something. It's like constant news throughout the day. Oh my gosh, 74.30. I would love to go back. Yes, D Money and PW, they're so awesome. I don't know when I can get away from Minnesota to go to Florida. Hopefully soon, but I really don't know. I'd like to go sooner than later, that's for sure. Good morning, my brother. I know, they're so much fun. PW and D, so much fun, and so much fun to stream with. And the studio is absolutely amazing. Yeah, I don't know anything about cars, but like when I saw all the cars, it looked, I just knew the cars, it was very, very expensive cars. I hope you're doing well too. Yeah, we're just hanging out in the short right now. I do like this, if we can trade below this price. But lots of indecision in these candles. So this is that 7 o'clock candle. Maybe we get there, maybe we don't. The momentum has definitely like dried up, right? When we look at the DOM, it's just kind of slow. Sometimes like once the momentum has already kicked in, it's almost sometimes like too late, because then the market has already made that big move. And it's like if you weren't already in the trade before it happened, like some of the best moves happen if we're already in it. Yeah, so it's really tricky, I feel like, trying to trade momentum. Hey VG, good morning. Queen of Trades, great to see you. Tris, good morning, off the ground. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, off the ground. Yeah, I felt like I fit in perfectly too. It was really fun. We just all have like similar energy vibes. We were just vibing really well together. Okay, this one is not looking so hot. We'll let it run though. TP or nothing. TP or nothing. Very bullish on the day. I should probably only trade on the long side. It's okay though. We'll let it run. No worries. I'm in 1 mini. I'm doing good, you guys. I'm not in 5 right now. I'm in 1 mini, so it is all good. Hey Martin. Martin is asking, what is a PW show? Do you guys want to tell him? TP, yes, I sure hope so. It's not looking so hot right now, but it is just consolidating. We look to the left, there's all this consolidation. Market is very bullish. It is holding these prices. Sometimes I think about this hour, the 7 to 8 o'clock my time, so that's 8 to 9 Eastern Standard Time, as like lots of retail traders, right? It's kind of what I picture. Lots of retail traders, also like that 7 o'clock hour. I also picture people going to their desk. Ooh, we're about to get stopped out. Institutions getting to their desk early, maybe executing trades early. That's visually what I picture. Hey, Corey! Corey the phone trader, what is up, my friend? Good to see you. Great to see you. I hope your trading's going well so far. Corey? Okay, stopped out. Boo-hoo. No worries. This is why I have to keep working on the risk management piece, because if I was in 5 minis, like that probably would have killed this account. So I do need to keep working on that risk management piece. I just always want to get there so quickly, right? Like I just want to get, I want to pass the evals in 2 days. I want to get to the payout in like 5 days. Or however quickly as possible. If it's 5 days, if the rules are 5 days to the first payout, I want to get there in 5 days. If the rules are day 1 payouts, I want to get to the payout in day 1. It is tricky. Do you guys play poker? I'm like learning more about poker and I'm very curious about it, because it seems like so many of the things that I hear about poker and poker players and bankroll management, it applies to day trading. And I'm so curious about learning poker, if that would also help me become a better day trader, because it seems like so many good day traders have a background in poker or a background in gaming. Bankroll management is definitely a big piece of it. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think we wait. I think we have to wait. Let's take a look at gold. Maybe there's something in gold. These contracts are so big. No, I think I wait. Nothing's really screaming at me. NQ and pre-market, it could take out this high. It is possible. Or just a lot of chop until we open up at 8:30. So Asia pushed higher, made a new high, and Europe also made a new high. I think statistically, when both push higher, it's more likely that New York will also make a new high. But it's tricky. It's like, when do you get in, right? Like, when do you get in? Market loves to dump at the open and get in at a better price. I have experienced that firsthand. As a newbie trader, when I was trading stocks, I would see the market up like this, and I would be like, yeah, ooh, Apple's already up 1%. I'm going to buy. I'd buy in pre-market, and then New York would open, and it would just dump. Hey, Alfred, good morning. FX. Adrian sometimes plays poker, but on Texas Hold'em, I heard Texas Hold'em is the best type of poker play to play. It seems like that's what everyone plays in the tournaments. So Martin, the PW show is the BDH. It's Patrick Whelan. If you go, Patrick, is it IE? I think so. On YouTube. Yeah, so go check out his channel. His channel is the largest, and his views, he gets the most views out of any future streamer. He's very entertaining and also a good trader. Lots of energy. I saw him smash a monitor the other day. It was very entertaining. Yeah, definitely check it out. It's so great to hear that you're a new futures trader. I love getting new people in here. Yeah, I think we wait. We wait because I already took that loss. I have to practice that bankroll management. Do you see? Do you see what I just did? Yes. It's true though. Oh, it's like drawdown management. Liquidation management. What'd you guys do this weekend? Anything fun or interesting? Oh, I did get to see like a cousin of mine this weekend, and that was super fun. She is from Texas, and I got to meet up with her and her husband twice this last week, and the second time this weekend. That was so much fun. They're flying out on Tuesday, so that made the weekend amazing to see people you love. $25.55. Oh, let's look at the hourly too. So it looks like it is setting up for a reversal on the hourly. We also got this retrace about 50%, a little more than 50%. What a move this was. Wow. So this was on the 2nd during New York. So unexpected. That was on Friday. You guys, the market, I just don't even know. I don't know about you, market. Maybe I should start trading YM instead. This is too much. Let's take a look at YM. Okay, let's see what YM looks like on the daily. Interesting. YM closed green on Friday. On the same day. I think that's very interesting. Look at this, all-time highs. I'm assuming this is all-time highs. Okay, I'm so curious. Did you guys know that Amazon was up only 5% year to date? I mean, not year to date, but over the past year. It was such a surprise to me. While the NASDAQ NDX, let's look at the NDX. So a year ago, it's up 16.96% from a year ago, the NASDAQ. Let's look at the SPX. A year ago, SPX, S&P 500, is also up 14.64%. I was curious about Tesla too, because like such a big move. It took a big move down. Tesla is also over from a year ago, up 16.51%. Okay, I wanted to see YM though. YM. I don't know the ticker symbol for the actual index, but the futures, it says it's up 12.91%. Last year was a good year overall for indexes and for gold. Yeah. I remember when we checked together, gold was up like 70% for the year of last year towards the end of the year. Hey, Clarity. Have a good day, 007. Yeah, we're just checking out YM here. I've heard people say that YM is much more of a tamed index compared to, I don't know. When I look at this though, oh yeah, I guess I can see that. I still think it's tricky because I have traded YM before and I thought it was tricky. But there are a lot of traders who trade YM. They're like, oh, it's like the relaxed index. YM and then ES and then NQ. So this is interesting. Wow, okay, NQ is coming down. Very nice. Oh, an inside bar just printed. Shoot, I missed that. Do we chase? Oh, no. Oh, wait. Lots of trading left today. I know, I hate missing moves. I'm feeling some FOMO right now. Is anyone in the short? Ooh, this candle looks so big. It's 30 points, 31 points on this 5 minute. In pre-market, I think that's a lot. Wow. VWAP is at 495. Look at the hourly again. Yeah, this is this nice reversal on the hourly. Maybe back to VWAP. Exactly, Clarity. NQ did take my money and dump. Yes, this happens. But it's okay, because there's tons of trading left today. And it's just another trade, right? No biggie. This is what I have to tell myself over and over and over again. Otherwise, I will feel FOMO. And then I will want to put on like 5 minis. Yes, I do. I want to do less of that this year. Unless it's the plan. Unless I'm like, all right, I'm going to go 5 minis here. But I want to do less of the, oh, okay, I'm down, a few hundred. Let me like double, triple down and then it doesn't work. And then it's like, oh, it didn't work. Now let me put on 5. And just that erratic trading, I just want to do less of. Hey, Blues. Yeah, no news today. This looks like it's coming down nicely. We'll wait though. So VWAP is at 495. It looks like it's wanting to go there. NASDAQ is up 138 points. I wonder if we will get a full gap fill during New York. If we do, where will we be? Let's zoom out. Wow, all the way down here. All the way down here. We've just been trading mostly on one side of the VWAP all night. Look at this. Very interesting. Yeah, I feel like the longer you trade, the more you realize that like no one knows where price is going. Like people think they have an idea and really no one knows because sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. And then some of the streamers that you might see, sometimes they're not showing executions and then they're showing like hindsight trading and they're like, "Oh yeah, look at this beautiful short," and they never actually got into the trade, right? Or they're making videos and they're only showing their winning trades and that's it. And then people think, "Oh my gosh, this person is a genius," and they know things that no one else knows. Yeah. No bueno. Hey, Pine Tree Trader, good morning. You're trading a lot more YM this year. Nice. Yeah, we were just looking at the charts together at YM, and I was just saying, I wonder if this would be a better index for me to trade, like less cray-cray compared to the NQ. I've heard a lot of people having great success trading YM. So it's $5 a point, I believe. This is what YM looks like. Let's compare it to NQ from Friday on the 5-minute. This is NQ on the 5-minute. Hindsight, I tell ya, this looks like so easy to trade. But when you were actually trading it, it wasn't like so easy, right? Yeah. Pine, I might have to join you and try trading YM. What's your favorite strategy with YM? Yo, Saran, good morning. Alfred says, no one really knows where, excuse me, no one really knows where things are going to go. That's why I say it could go here or there when I make an analysis. Agreed, Alfred. Yeah, it could. It's possible. NQ is definitely more volatile. Yeah. Which is great if you're a scalper, I feel like, which is why a lot of us love to trade it. It's like you can quickly get in, quickly get out. Yeah, the inside bars worked really well on NQ on Friday. Here's the inside bar on the 5-minute. The first one, and here's the second one. It took a while though, all the way until 10:35 Central Time. Here is the open, 8:30. Yeah, so the 5-minute orb failed. The 15-minute orb, if you took 50%, it would have worked. Pine, I was telling everyone that maybe I should learn to play poker to help with my trading game because so many of the things I hear about poker players, they talk about bankroll management, they talk about betting, and I'm thinking that maybe by me learning some of those skills, it will also help me in day trading. What do you think? Should we all learn poker? Oh, another inside bar. Another inside bar is printing. I have about 10 minutes left together. All right, I'm going to take this one. The high is 541. We did break above. Target about a little under 1-to-1. Oh, nice. You trade Russell too? Clarity trades YM and Russell. I've heard with Russell, the bid ask is very wide. Yeah, so Russell is mostly small cap, or not small caps, like mid caps. It's not small caps. I'd say like mid caps, right? For people who aren't familiar with Russell, it's another index. Yes, exactly. That would be so fun. Adrian says we should all learn Texas Hold'em and then meet up in Vegas. Yeah, depending on the week for Vegas, we can get some really good deals as long as there's not a conference. Hey, this inside bar is sprinting. Let's go. Okay, I will move it to break even because a little better than break even because I don't want to lose any more money. Go, 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 go. It's reaching. Ooh, I might want to take some profits. Go. Okay, above this high, this was that big bar. This high is 551. I like it. I like it a lot because these people are getting squeezed, right? So hopefully it pushes to 557. I am tempted to take some off, but it's okay. I have my stop in place. 1 point better than break even. 1 point and some change. I'm going to be unemotional about this trade. It's just another trade. I'm going to be unemotional about this trade. Maybe it will hit TP. Maybe it won't. It's okay. I detach from this trade. Good morning, Hadley. I love Chuck Roast. Null29 is asking, do you guys don't see payout button on MFF on weekends or not? I have requested a payout from my funded futures on the weekends, and I can't remember if it got processed right away or if I had to wait till Monday. I feel like it did get processed even on the weekends. I could be wrong. They have moved a lot to instant payouts, like automated payouts. A certain percentage of their payout requests are instant now. I don't know if it's 70% or 90%, but it's really high, and they're moving to, like, that's the goal, is to process, like, I don't know if it's over 90% or something. Matt Leach did tweet something about that. Congratulations. Are you requesting a payout? Is this what this means? 29. Okay, let's see. We have detached from this outcome of this trade, so it's all good. Whatever happens will happen. We are protected by this stop. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, that's okay too. It's so tempting to take profits, right? Ike would say take profits. I trades a negative R&R, and he's doing so well. What do you guys think? Do I take profits or do I let it hit TP? It's up about $225. Market will either go higher or go lower. Hey! That's awesome. Take profit, Martin says. Oh, I didn't read your comment, just came through. Good morning, King. Yeah, I have thought about trading more with R&R. I know I've shared that with you guys because so many people are succeeding with a negative R&R versus like trying to do 1-to-1 or 1-to-2. And when I've done back tests, it seems like having a higher win rate would be better for my psychology in general, unless it's just fully automated, and then I can just like not even look at it, right? Like an algo, having an algo trade it for you. Thank you, Pine Tree Trader. Pine Tree Trader is the one that's shown us about inside bars. If you're new, make sure you go check out Pine Tree Trader's stream and also his videos on inside bars. I can look that up for you real quick. Yeah, I do love trading the inside bar as far as it has a nice like set. You can, it's very clear, it's very easy. I like the easy types of trades. Okay, Pine Tree Trader inside bar. He's from Maine, so he likes to say bar. Inside bar. Okay, here we go. The orb killer, the first inside bar strategy. Ooh, Bitcoin is up 1.5%. That's interesting. Here is a link to Pine Tree Trader's inside bar. That depends. Is this for steak and salad again? I love steak and salad. My favorite. I did have salad and steak this weekend. I actually just had a delicious salad last night too from a pizzeria. It was delicious. It was like a version of the Italian chopped salad, and it had feta and fontina. It had a few different meats in it, and it was on a bed of mixed greens with a red wine vinaigrette. It was delicious. And then I did have steak on Saturday for breakfast, steak and eggs. Inside bars. Well, you guys, I think that's it for me until New York. So I wish you all a fantastic day today. I hope you have a green day. And if you have a red day, I hope it's a very small red day. Thanks for everyone for joining me. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye, guys.